This is what my studio looks like on a normal day. Wide angle shows the ugly wiring, dusty surfaces need cleaning, and move the camera closer to the things that deserve some attention. Like these jeans my friend made. I don't normally look this cool while sweeping. Then there is deciding to do this every day. I made this YouTube video for producers who like watching YouTube videos from other producers. Like me, basically. This is what I've learned in 3 years of making shitty YouTube videos. Step 1. Record. The first step is to hit record. That's exactly how I made this video. I had an idea and I set up the camera and started recording. And then I realized my suit was dusty as hell, so I got to cleaning. Record everything else. By this I mean your screen and live audio. There is a software engine that lets you record the sound coming straight from your door, so that once you wear headphones, your camera only records everything else. All the little Foley sounds that could be used in your final edit come from your camera. I cannot go into detail about it because that would basically have to be a whole video. You can literally just search up how to record audio from your screen. I think I'll just link the video for you if you're lazy like me to go and look for it yourself. Action inspires motivation to act more. Essentially, I've learned to embrace the pressure that comes with knowing you're being recorded. Like right now, I'm currently editing the video and knowing screen recording is on, I feel on edge to finish up this part of the script so I can get a good video or B-roll from it. Step 2. Write. The whole concept of YouTube videos is that they are super spontaneous and unpredictable. Writing your videos before filming them is fine, but then you feel like you have to stick to your script. I know because I've tried this before, it didn't go so well. That's why writing is the second thing you do after filming your original idea. While reviewing what you filmed, write what you will edit. I hope that makes sense. I don't know, it kind of made sense when I was writing it. If it doesn't make sense to you, then just rewind and watch it again. Step 3. Edit. Editing to me is the most discouraging part of making these videos. You'd be surprised how tired you'd be after steps 1 and 2. To think you still have to sit for 2 to 4 hours to edit a video, Jesus. If you're anything like me, this process will take a total of 12 hours. So I spread it over 2 days instead of pulling an all-nighter because I'd get tired halfway through and start making lazy choices with the edit. It's important to do things at your own pace. The pace of editing and the storytelling of a video is what makes it yours. Step 4. Publish. Obviously. After you've done all these 3 steps, you can tinker over a title as it uploads, use a screenshot of the best looking part to create a thumbnail in Canva, not sponsored by the way. Try not to get caught up in the title, duration, thumbnail, and reception of a video. It is the final step, but it is also the most volatile. Imagine putting all this effort into doing something and then you don't publish it. I'm very guilty of this. This is why I only put out a few videos in a year. Not that I don't make many videos, I just think they're not good enough to be published. And that's how the video idea basically dies in my hard drive. Social media spread a virus via short form content where it slowly made a lot of us forget that short form content is not everything. There has been so many times where I'd feel bad about myself for not putting out as many videos as I could. I got all these equipment. Making shorts couldn't be any easier, could it? Why can't I make 4 videos in a week? Then I remember I never really wanted to make so many videos. I wanted to make cool videos that lasted in my memory. When I started my YouTube channel, shorts didn't even exist. TikTok was called Musically, and I wasn't on it. Imagine judging your performance by the metrics of another person's goals. That's exactly what started to happen to me after I went viral on Reels. I started making the types of short videos I knew would get a lot of attention, and once I had 10,000 followers, I realized it didn't even make me feel better about my progress as a music producer, and I started to hate putting out my videos more and more. Remember to do things at your own pace. While you appreciate the works of others, differentiate how it relates to you and only take what you want to take. Try it out. Don't be scared of failure, for no one cares. It's not them to you, it's YouTube. I feel like I just said a really good one-liner in a movie.